Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin, someone just sold 5,000 Bitcoin, which is around $210 million, and it was instantly bought back up. I'm going to show you that in the charts. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. We're going to jump into trades for Bitcoin, show you where I would open trades, and show you my live trades. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going technicals. This was the dump that just happened now, and it quickly getting bought up. It was quite a lot of Bitcoin actually. If you see on these two 15-minute candles, you can see Bitcoin was coming up to around 43,000. Then these two red candles, huge red volume candles, you can see this was the normal 15-minute volume, around 340 Bitcoin per 15 minutes. And this was the volume on the drop, 3,000 and 2,500. So almost 5,500 Bitcoin was, it pumped and then dumped 5,000 Bitcoin quite very quickly. It's around $210 million was just pumped and dumped on Bitcoin. Quite interesting. Major support is still this trend line, and the weekly support is also a strong one. But I would say the blue yearly trend line is the main one. That's where I would still open the trade. Bitcoin is still in this symmetrical triangle kind of that's building here. You can see usually it's going to build like this and continuation pattern and break to the upside around 70% of the move. So my target is around the 8th of February for this breakout for Bitcoin. Best place to take a long would be at 42,292, stop loss 42,132 on a bit of a pullback, and take profit 44k, 49k, major target 61k on the second to third impulse wave, which is the largest of the Elliott wave count. That's my target for Bitcoin, and it's showing strength because of that pump and dump, in my opinion. If someone sells 5,500 Bitcoin in this matter of seconds and it's bought up without really affecting the price, we're just back to around 2 hours ago, actually. 4 hours ago, the price shot up to 43, dumped 42,600, and now sitting back at the price it was 3 hours ago. But that was 5,500 Bitcoin. 210 million was just moved. But again, I think we will pull back before getting that bounce towards the 8th of February in this continuation pattern, following my red dotted line on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my Bitcoin trades. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you see me do, under the video, go underneath the video down below. One is the exchanges I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use this link, this blue link. And the Guru courses, the BingX is good for stocks and cryptos and apparently USA friendly, but you have to do your own due diligence, consult your brokers. Binance $600 bonus. The courses, Crypto Master Course teaches you how to trade. The Telegram, there's 9,000 traders of you in there. My Bybit account, my Bitcoin trade is $42,134. It's up at around $1,000 from this morning, which is beautiful. Almost 12,000 realized profits, 42,000 unrealized yet. Funding fee 0.01, still low. Discount 505,000, getting a bit of a bounce back, which is beautiful. That's my quick update on Bitcoin. I just wanted to fill you in on this quick, because why that's important. When someone dumps 5,500 Bitcoin, 210 million, and it's instantly bought back up, that's showing really good strength for Bitcoin, which is very good news. Don't forget, join the other gurus, join us in the community. We want to become the biggest and best crypto trading community in the world. There's 9,000 traders in our Telegram community. 9,000 now, 9,000 in the alerts channel and 2,000 in the live chat. It's free in the Telegram. Number 3, make sure you've taken the courses before you join that Telegram so you know what everyone's doing. Love you all, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.